Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a buffalo chicken sloppy joe. I'll be starting off the recipe by browning up 2 pounds of a ground chicken. I'll also be adding in 1 small onion and 2 ribs of celery that have been diced, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Once the vegetables have softened up and the chicken is cooked all the way through, add in 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. Once everything gets stirred together, it's going to be allowed to sit here and simmer on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce thickens up. Once the sauce became thick enough, I went ahead and plated it up on a hamburger bun, and I've garnished it off with a little bit of sliced green onion, and I have some homemade blue cheese dressing here, although you could use ranch as well, and I'm serving it beside a caprese pasta salad. It smells really good, and now the real test is how does it taste. This turned out absolutely fantabulous. It is everything I want in a sloppy joe. It is messy and packed with flavor. I definitely get that buffalo chicken vibe coming from it. And the heat from the buffalo chicken sauce, and then I did use a hot honey here. The ranch, or not ranch, but the blue cheese dressing kind of helps tamper some of that down, so it is a welcome added relief here. Overall, it's a fantastic sandwich and something I am definitely going to be making the next time ground chicken goes on sale. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.